guys, we are watching Germangyan. My name is Nidhi Jain and guys, this whole video is all about B2 learners. If you are learning B2, if you want to learn B2, if you are planning to give B2 exam, then yes, this video is for you. So without wasting time, let's get started. And guys, very important before that, do subscribe this channel so that I can bring and you can also see very first all the videos which I am coming up. And if you have any specific request for any particular video for exam, for any topic explanation or any doubt session, then do let me know. I am looking forward to solve and resolve all your queries. So without wasting time, let's get into the video. So basically guys, in this video you will be learning B2 tips and tricks for the Goethe examination. Yes, so the very first trick which I want to tell you personally, and to be very frank, these all the tips and tricks which I will be telling you will be personally helping you, and of course I have personally experienced it with my students, with myself. So yes, the very first tip which I personally want to tell you is, it's a very important thing that you should understand the proper exam pattern, the proper exam structure, the way exam will be coming if you're going for the Goethe exam. A lot of students in the batch which the recent batch of my B2, they are not getting the Goethe seat, so they are applying for the TELC exam pattern. All the exams which you are personally giving, you must be aware of the proper pattern, proper structure, which module carries which marks, which module having how much marks and everything. So it is very important for you. Basically, my point will be that be familiar with all the 5 modules so that when you are giving the exam, you can properly allocate your timings with particular module so that it can help you while giving the marks and filling the OMR sheets in the end. Yeah, let's come to the second point. So the second one, I will suggest you that set your particular goal. As I was telling you earlier also, that while you are giving the exam, please fix your mindset that okay, you are giving 20 minutes to this, whether you are getting 40 minutes by the examiner or by the institute or by the German embassy, but still you should have a proper goal in you should have a proper goal in your mind that you will be giving 20 minutes in the 20 minutes in the sprechen part, 15 minutes for the reading. Like this, it will be very easy for you to, when you are rechecking it also while filling the final answer sheet, it will be very much easy for you. So I will suggest you do properly set your mind that if this happens, then how much marks you will be getting. If one is wrong, then how much. So you should be clear and your mind should be set for a proper goal. So the third point I will be suggesting you is that use authentic material. Why I'm saying this word authentic? Basically guys, while you are exploring all the materials, all the books, a lot of things you are exploring on YouTube, be specific to the authentic things. Just because when you are using the material, when you are studying from the material, it should be from the proper authorized center by which you are giving the exam, or maybe by which you are applying the exam. The reason behind it, you so much in depth. If you are reading a proper authentic German newspaper, it will give you a different impact. While you are translating English to German, that will be a different case. But when you are reading and hearing a proper authentic podcast, authentic German movies, not the translated movies, that comes in basically a fun way that you are learning and you are watching. But if you are watching authentic German movies, that is a different scenario, and that will give you a different accent, different language accent learning, different learning. So that's gonna be amazing, and that gonna help you on the next level, especially for the B2 learners. For A1, A2, yes, we do suggest that do watch the translated movies, do watch the level movies according to your level. But for B2, I will suggest you that gonna be very important. Do watch, do hear, do write, do read authentic things, the proper German native things. That gonna be super fun. So guys, the fourth tip which I want to tell you is that please practice your grammar systematically. Why I'm telling you systematically, in B2 level they specially test your grammar parts. do focus on all the tenses, do focus on proper sentence structure. Like from A1 to B2 there are lots of sentence structure. All the sentence structure should be clear to you. That gonna help you to the next level if I'm telling you systematically. So please make a proper pattern in a written way, or by just the workbooks or the advice book which you are following. Make proper pattern and go with the flow. That will help you to cover all the grammar topics, and in a proper way you will be finishing that too. So all the very best. Let's come to the fifth one. Is a most important thing, I think so. From very first class, while I'm teaching A1 also, I always tell my students that you have to expand your vocabulary. So guys, build your vocabulary, expand your vocabulary on the daily basis. In B2 especially, I'm telling you, for B2 on the daily basis you have to learn new words and new phrases. Like in German, phrases have a phrases. In B2, phrases are a game changer. Phrases are very important. They give a rich look to all the speaking, all the written pattern, whatever you are doing. So that's gonna be awesome. They will be giving you a lot of marks, good marks in your writing and speaking. So phrases, vocabulary, make use of flashcards, make use of all the workbooks or the vocabulary dictionary you are having. Make sure you are using like different newspapers. From that also you want to be getting great vocabulary. So yes, build your vocabulary. That is very, very important. And whosoever is learning from A1, A2, B1, guys, on the daily basis start learning 5 to 10 words, and make sure you are learning with the German article. That's gonna be very helpful for you in the future. So sixth one, I will be suggesting you that please focus on reading comprehensive. Like why I'm telling you reading comprehensions, because reading give you a great impact. While you are reading, your accent of speaking will like get affected a lot. While you are reading, your writing pattern, that how you have to write the things, that you will be getting some ideas. Take as much ideas as you can by reading different magazines, newspaper. A lot of like there are specific books just for the B2 learners, just for the speaking. So make sure you are learning that. Next, I will suggest you that if you are a B2 learner and for the reading, please focus that whatever you have read in a book or a magazine or a newspaper, just after reading, summarize everything and write it. That will give you a schreiben practice, a writing practice, and then read that. So you will be getting that what you have done in the next writing, in the next reading, what you need to focus on. This gonna be help you for the self satisfaction and for the examiner satisfaction while you will be giving and while you are practicing. Let's go to the next point will be writing practice. Guys, write as much as you can, because in B2 you have to write a lot. You have to write pages and pages just to give you a great impact. So phrases, do write phrases as much as you can while you are writing letters, while you are writing essays, while you are writing any picture descriptions. And guys, if you are reading something, as I told you, a very good suggestion which I have also implemented on myself, like when I used to read, or when I'm watching a movie. Suppose this is a German movie, I'm watching it. So after that, what I used to do it, I will be writing the review of that movie in German. The negativity, the positive points, everything, and that gonna be giving a different mindset. Oh wow, today we have written in German review. So that gonna be super for you if you are reading a newspaper. So give your opinion, write your opinion that okay, this should be like this is that. Because as an Indian, we love to give our opinions. So why not to practice in your language? That can give you a great level practice for your examination. Last but not the least, of course, your speaking practice. For speaking, guys, what I can suggest you is that on the daily basis, you have to make a conversation with your fellow learners, or if you are in touch with the native speakers or your teachers, that is the best thing. So conversation on the daily basis is must. Try to express yourself in German language, try to express the reviews, try to express your picture description, try to communicate in a different, like in just a normal communication, just in German. That can give you a great speaking practice. Speak German in the very common way, in the front of mirror. Like in A1 we used to do now, there is a mirror and we are speaking front of the mirror. But in B2, practice as much as you can with the fellow learners. Go to the libraries. German libraries we have everywhere in India also. So go there, you will be meeting fellow people. Just talk them randomly in German, just share your number. That can give you a great speaking practice. And after that, of course, mock tests are very important, and your time management, that how you are managing all these tips with a proper time management so that you can like fulfill all the things while you're practicing. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope it has helped you somewhere. I was just trying to keep my opinion for you that these are the things, these are the topics specifically can help B2 learners. If you need specific help, like of course the course material and everything will be like that is only for the German Gyan specific students. But if you need any exam preparation for B2 learners, yes, you can get that of 10 days, 7 days, 3 days, further like that. And if you are looking for any German language classes for A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2, teacher training program, guys, German Gyan is one-stop solution. Come, and we are waiting for you online and offline both. So yeah, stay tuned with us for the next video, because next video will be coming amazing. So yeah, see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning German with German Gyan. Take care. Cheers.